Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. As you all know, we already have discussed the main theme of Surah Anam. So today we are going to do its significance or importance in our daily life. This is the B part of your passage. Before we start the answer, I will repeat some important points. Please note them down. Number 1, you have to finish one complete passage with its A part and B part within 7 to 8 minutes. Number 2, the length of each part is between 10 to 12 lines. Number 3, to score maximum, highlight some keywords from the passage and explain them properly in your answer. B part explain the positive change in your inner self, your lives, and again it depends on the key words. Okay, let us start your answer now. If we read the tafsir of Holy Quran, we come to know the level of the importance of this surah that tells us that when Allah Almighty revealed this surah, Allah sent down 70,000 angels with this surah. The reciter of this surah gets inner peace, and all those angels who came down with this, they ask for forgiveness for that person, for the reciter. The passage enhances our knowledge about Allah's qualities, attributes of being primary, single, invisible, omnipotent, and omniscient. Now I'm sure you know the meaning of omnipotent, that is the power of Allah, and omniscient is the knowledge of Allah. First of all, it gives us the proof, the evidence to decline. Decline means to reject. The communists' belief or the atheist belief who say there is no controller of the universe. Basically, this universe was not created by chance. This was done under proper orders. Allah, the Lord, created all the heavens and earths within 7 days, and whatever is between and beyond them was created by Him alone. Secondly, it logically proves Allah's singularity by stressing the fact when He has no wife or partner, then from where His children could be. Again, this confirms His oneness, His singularity. This also makes us realize that Allah is free from all physical relations like we humans need. He is beyond all these needs. Same concept of His oneness is described differently in Surah Ikhlas, which tells us Allah does not have any father or son. Neither He begets nor is He begotten. It is the fact that Allah is the originator and the fashioner of the whole world. Therefore, we should worship Him alone. Thirdly, Allah's inaccessibility is highlighted by the term Latif. It teaches that Allah's presence cannot be seen by the naked eye, but we can feel Him through His signs. You shall never see me. This is the verse of the Holy Quran. Allah Himself tells us that we cannot see Him. His presence can be felt and visualized only by pondering over the excellence and perfection of the vast universe that He has created alone. Lastly, the term Khabir. Khabir means one who knows everything. It teaches us about Him being omniscient, means knowledgeable. Only Allah possesses the knowledge of all things, including what man keeps in his heart or what he says. Alimul ghaibi wa shahada. Allah knows the hidden and the manifest. Therefore, it helps us to turn away from all the false claimers of knowledge, like fortune tellers, foreseers, and foretellers. Depending for all these is called a kind of shirk. So being a Muslim, we should avoid them and we should be dependent only on Allah Almighty. It gives them strength in difficult matters like the marriage of their daughters and financial or medical problems, as this passage strengthens their belief by saying He has power to dispose of all affairs. So we can have a strong faith in His presence, His lordship, and we will not rely on any other except Him alone. Okay, I hope this question is very much clear to all of you. And inshallah, in our next lesson, we will start Surah Fussilat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.